Hi everybody on YouTube, this is Repair, bringing you a brand new video tutorial on how to repair the power button on an iPhone 4S. And as you see, this iPhone is broken to the screen. The LCD screen digitizer is broken and I will replace it as well. Hola a todos, este es Repair. En esta ocasión, en este video tutorial, les voy a mostrar cómo reparar el botón Power en un iPhone 4S. A la misma vez vamos a reemplazar el LCD Screen Digitizer en este iPhone, pues como ustedes pueden ver está demasiado roto, pero lo principal es de que también vamos a reparar el Power Button. The trick that I will show you, it's actually you don't have to replace the whole flex cable for the power button, but there's a new trick that I've been learning, and I will show you. I will actually share with everybody. And remember, the purpose of my videos is always to share with the whole YouTube community worldwide. Recuerden de que la intención de mis videos siempre es compartir con toda la comunidad mundial lo poco que sé. And also, if you guys don't like my videos, please don't watch my videos. Además, a algunas personas no les gustan mis videos, así de que por favor no necesitan verlos. So, let's begin. To start it, what we need is a tweezer like this. This is anti-static. This is the one I use all the time. You need a metal spudger stick like this one. It's really convenient. I've been using this tool. It's so amazing. This one also, this is my custom made screwdriver. My flat screwdriver custom made as well. I made all those in this one, the T5 for the 4S. This a screwdriver, and this kind of like a spudger too, and you see how I use this small tool. And let's begin. A todos también, déjenme recordarles, estos son mis herramientas que utilizo cuando hago estos pequeños trabajos. Una pinza como esta, este se le llama un spudger de metal. Mi destornillador de estrella, que es una medida, la primera medida que pueda haber, y también el plano y además el T5 para desarmar, para quitar prácticamente estos dos tornillos. This is the tool that we use, the T5, to remove those two screws down here. Alright, let's begin. Starting from the back, we're just going to remove come on. Sometimes it's a little complicated to film in and working as well. Pull it down. Sometimes it's a little harder. Algunas veces se pone un poquito dura, solamente es deslizarlo para abajo. So here, using the Phillips screwdriver, let's remove those two screws. I will do it quickly, and this is another tool that I use. This is a plastic spudger. So when I remove stuff like that they're connected, what I normally do is like I always use a plastic tool. Como ustedes pueden ver, esta es mi herramienta también de plástico que utilizo para remover las cosas que están conectadas al motherboard, because you don't want to mess up something on the motherboard. So now I'll remove the battery. Vamos a remover la batería. This is a tool that I'm using lately to remove the batteries. You don't want to use this one. Actually, this is not for to remove the battery. Some people sometimes they just pull it up, and this is not for this. All right, so you start it from here. De esta es la manera como removemos. Esta es la manera como yo personalmente lo hago, removiendo las baterías, ya sea de un iPhone 4 o 4S. So then you just little by little start popping up, and you're good to go. So let's continue removing these two screws on the metal sheen for the dock connector for the charging port. Now let's remove this shield as well. Just gotta be careful when you remove this shield from here. Tiene que tener mucho cuidado al remover ese shield que está ahí. So, luego vamos a desconectar todos los cables que están en el motherboard. Vamos a desconectar uno por uno, y siempre es importante mejor utilizar algo de plástico como esto. Estos yo lo hago así. This is the perfect tool for me, this plastic, to remove all those connectors from the motherboard. That way you're not gonna mess up anything on the motherboard. So, but remember, this is how I do it. This is how I dealer repair does everything. So this is the way I find it easy and very safety. Now let's remove this little sticker right here. Keep in mind also that don't forget to remove the SIM card tray. Alright, so we can do it right in the beginning or right in the middle of these. Please do not forget to remove it right when you try to remove the motherboard. Recuerden remover el SIM card tray, this one, este que ustedes ven aquí, para que pues no nos olvidemos y podamos dañar el motherboard o logic board. Let's disconnect the antenna. Vamos a desconectar la antena. Now let's remove the rest of the screws. Vamos a remover los últimos tornillos. Ahora removemos el speaker. Let's remove the loudspeaker. So now having everything, actually all those screws removed, so I use always this tool to pop up the logic board, and very gently, alright. So al remover el logic board lo vamos a hacer bien despacio, bien delicadamente. So this is the logic board on your iPhone 4S. Este es el logic board en su iPhone 4S. Let's remove now the speaker. Don't forget that there is a little bracket, this one, black bracket, on top of one of those corners on the speaker. No hay que olvidar este pequeño bracket. So let's remove now the vibrator. Sorry guys, I have a little flex right here to hold my camera, actually my iPhone 5. So this is how I remove, because there is a 3M on right underneath, so I don't want to damage the 3M. And esta es la manera como remuevo particularmente el vibrador. That's the vibrator. Alright, so what I will do to make it this video short, I'll remove all the screws around, and then I'll come back. So having all those screws that they go around removed, so there's a lot of people that in order to fix the power button, they release the bracket underneath, and what they do is like they pull down those two flex cables, the one from the digitizer and the one from the LCD. So algunas personas, para reparar el botón power, a veces doblan estos flex y puede ser muy peligroso. So lo que yo hago es mejor quitar la pantalla para llegar hasta acá. So what I do is remove, to do it safely, the power button to fix it. So what I do is remove the whole LCD screen digitizer. So I'm gonna have to make another video, so I'll see you guys in the next video.